You're going to love how easy it is to implement Mileage Club. Let's look at 4 practical considerations when setting up and individualizing Mileage Club. First of all, you need a coordinator. Every school needs a coordinator who has an infectious enthusiasm for Mileage Club. You want someone with strong administrative skills and a head for details and planning. Sometimes 2 to 3 people will share the coordinator role, but it can easily be filled with one person as well. Next, decide when Mileage Club will be run. Mileage Club can be conducted first thing in the morning, as part of a PE curriculum, during recess, after school, or any combination of these times. Experiment and find out what works best for your students. Some schools offer Mileage Club every day, and others will offer it 2 to 3 times a week. Will you offer your Mileage Club all year long, or just focused on fall or spring Mileage Club season? We encourage you to see what works best for your school and is the best fit for your students. Next, determine the course. A Mileage Club course doesn't need to be an official track. In setting up your course, we encourage you to use what you already have: a playground parking lot, gym, etc. 2 things to keep in mind when choosing your course. Number 1, make the course as long as possible, and 2, make sure you can see your students at all times. Orange traffic cones are an easy way to create a course anywhere. Now let's talk specifics. If your school is located in an urban environment, can students walk around the school? Is there a safe, unused parking lot next to your school that could be turned into a track? Can a street be closed down during lunchtime? These are all options that have been implemented by many Mileage Club schools in cities around the country. Rural schools can designate the perimeter of their playground as a track. Just be sure to leave plenty of distance between your Mileage Club courses and your swing set and athletic fields. You don't want any runners to get kicked by swingers or tripped up by stray balls. Is your school in a part of the country that gets extremely hot or cold? It's great to have an indoor alternative. Use a large space, such as a gym or cafeteria, or turn the hallways of your school into a Mileage Club course. Finally, set up your reward system. We suggest awarding a tow token for every 5 miles. However, you can choose to award whatever mileage participation goal you prefer. Some schools award a tow token for the first 5 miles, and then a number 10 at 10 miles, then an awesome award at 15. Some schools offer seasonal tokens like pumpkins during October. We also have twinkle toes, frosty toes, swirl sneakers, marathon medals, dog tags, and sportsmanship stars. Yeah, we have a lot of awards to keep the options fun and exciting and engaging for students. When and how will your students receive awards? We've seen classroom teachers, PE teachers, principals, secretaries, or PTO members distribute tokens. End of the year assemblies are a popular place to celebrate large-scale individual classroom, grade level, or school-wide achievements. Students love to find out they collectively logged enough miles to cross the United States or travel to the moon. Fitness Finders also offers a variety of milestone awards like water bottles, pencils, t-shirts, baseball hats, and more that help you end your Mileage Club season on a high note. Again, you customize your reward system to work for your school and your program. Now, I've mainly spoken about the awards Fitness Finders offers because that's what I'm most familiar with and because we've seen them work. But you can incorporate your own awards with Mileage Club. You could set a goal for which the reward is that kids get to wear a hat to school on Fridays, or the reward for a certain goal could be a special day each month in which those students get to eat lunch with the principal. The point is to get kids working toward a goal and motivated to participate and increase their activity. I've given you a lot of information. Hopefully you've picked up some practical tips, as well as a better understanding of how Mileage Club really works. I hope you've seen how customizable and easy Mileage Club is, and are inspired and excited to get started.